Welcome to my channel, Janet's Lifestyle. Anyway, today ay isi-share ko lang po sa inyo kung paano po lutuin ang stir-fried broccoli in oyster sauce with chicken. Yes po, this recipe is easy, quick, affordable, and at the same time, healthy. Why is it healthy? Dahil po ang broccoli ay consist of with full of nutrients like folate, fiber, antioxidants, and it is also a good source of vitamin A, C, and B6. So, in general, it consists of nutrients which are needed for our healthy diet. So, mga mamshi, ano pa pong hinihintay nyo? Hayaan nyo pong i-share ko sa inyo kung paano po ito lutuin. Kung ready na po kayo, sabayan nyo po ako. Let's start! Anyway, here are the ingredients needed for my menu for today, which is the stir-fried in oyster sauce with chicken. So, here is it, the broccoli, which is the main ingredients, the oyster sauce, salt, black pepper, the onion, spring onion, the soy sauce, the red bell pepper, the garlic, the flour, and then the chicken, okay? So, please stay tuned po and let's start cooking! So, first thing ko pong gagawin is that imamarinate ko po itong chicken, okay? Lalagyan ko po siya ng, it's like 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Ayan po. And then, a bit salt. Black pepper. And then, the flour po, okay? Na-marinate lang po siya para mamaya po mag-thicken po ang sauce, okay? So, ayan po. Madali lang po itong lutuin, itong stir-fried broccoli with chicken in an oyster sauce po, okay? Actually, I learned this menu when I was in Hong Kong po. Yes, during the time that I worked there as a domestic helper. So, ayan. I-marinate lang po natin siya. And then, now, let's start cooking po, okay? See you in a bit. Ayan. Now, it's time for us to cook, which is reheat first the pan and then add the cooking oil. Ayan. And then, if mainit na po yung pan, i-add na po natin yung onion. Ayan. Onion po yung inuuna ko talaga para hindi po mamaya ma-burn or masunog yung garlic natin. Yes. Ayan. So, wait lang po natin siya until mag-light brown. Okay? So, okay na po ang ating onion. Next is that I will add the garlic. Marami po akong nilalagay na garlic para mabango po at the same time healthy, diba? Kasi marami pong benefits itong garlic sa atin. Kaya I make sure na pag nag-stir fried po ako or sa anuman pong menu ko, naglalagay po talaga ako ng like 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, okay? And then, if it's well done already, the garlic, next is that it's time for us to add the chicken. Ayan po. Stir fry lang po natin siya. Ayan. Kahit ano pong gamitin nyo, it's either yung chicken breast po para wala po siyang bones, or mga wings or leg po ng chicken. Ayan. Nasa sa inyo po. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan po siya natin ng oyster sauce na. Okay. Ayan. Tansyahin nyo na lang po. And then, a bit water. Ayan. Para po, pag simmer natin ng chicken, ay maluto po siya. Okay? O mag-soft. Ayan. O, diba? Okay. We need to cover it po like 3 to 5 minutes for the chicken to cook. Okay? Please stay tuned. Now, it's time for us to check. Yes. It's getting okay. Ayan. O, diba? Nagtitiken na yung sauce niya. Next is that, ilalagay na po natin itong main ingredients, which is the broccoli. Ayan. Isi-simmer ko din po ulit siya, like 3 minutes. Ayan. Maganda po ang broccoli na hindi po siya i-overcook para po siya crunchy. Ayan. Ganun po kasi sa Hong Kong. Hindi po sila pag nagluluto po ng vegetable, always stir-fried lang po sila. At pag gusto po nila half-cook lang para yung nutrients or minerals na present sa gulay is still there. At the same time, crunchy daw po at healthy. Yun po ang sabi ng amo ko dati. Kaya ayun. Yun po ang natutunan ko. Ayan. I-taste ko na rin po yung lasa niya. Lagyan ko lang po siya ulit ng black pepper, okay? Ayan. Bit salt. And a bit water as well. Ayan. Maganda po ito pag may konting sauce. Ayan. And then, let it simmer po. Like 3 minutes. Stay tuned po. Now, it's time for us to check again. Yes, it's getting better. Okay. Ayan na po. Lastly po, i-add ko na po itong bell pepper. Nilalas ko po siya para hindi po siya overcook itong bell pepper kasi pangit po. Ayan. So, ready na po siya. Simmer lang po natin and then let's see po the finished product, okay? So guys, ito na po yung finished product ko for today, which is the stir-fried broccoli in oyster sauce with chicken. Ayan po siya. O, diba? Crunchy po siya kasi hindi po overcook yung broccoli. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe po. And thank you for watching. So, see you next video po. Bye for now. Enjoy eating po anyway. Good day.